So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the little cutout here to make a paper helicopter. And if you look, you see that the solid line is the cutting line and the dotted line here is the folding line. So of course the first thing that you're going to want to do is cut along those cutting lines. So I'm going to do that. The more careful you are here, the better it's going to turn out for you. All right, so if you take a look here, there are still some more of the solid lines. So I'm going to cut in, and I want to be really careful, just cut that little bit here. And the same on this side. And then right here, again, stopping where the line stops. Okay, so this is going to be the blade part of the helicopter. So I'm going to fold one down this way, and then I'm going to turn it over and fold this one the opposite direction and fold that one to the back. Okay, and then I'll lay this down, and this is the last part. I'm going to fold in the side like this, fold in this side like this. And if you see here, there is a middle fold line. I'll open that up and fold it up. And now I'm going to go ahead, fold, fold, and go back onto that fold. And at this point, I'm going to take my big paper clip and just push it all the way up like this. And now it's ready to go ahead and fly. All right, so let's go ahead and fly it. I have one blade folded to the back, one to the front, and I'm just going to go ahead and drop it. Okay, that was very graceful at the end there. So we had what I would call a successful flight of our helicopter. Notice you have some extra paper, and with that paper you can try designing your own helicopter. This is a time for you to do some interesting engineering. You might see what happens if you curl up the flaps of your helicopter, if you curl one up and one down, if you make them shorter, if you make them skinnier. So this is a great time for you to experiment, and I hope you'll let us know interesting things that you find out as you're working with your paper helicopter.